Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I am at Walgreens to do some of the deals for this week. I'm looking for the $2 coupon that's working on the cover girl, but they don't have it here. Anyways, yeah guys, I'm gonna get started to show you guys what I'm gonna be grabbing today. It is my last trip with my spend 50 to get back $50 in Walgreens cash. They have some Olay, but I'm not sure if the Olay is printing out the $5 P&G coupon, so I'm gonna try to pick up what's working. Dial body wash, they are $4, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. We do have inserts, which I don't have yet, and you can also pick up the hand wash as well. So this is thanks to Michelle from My Own Identity and Lorena as well, so you guys check out their channel. But I'm looking for products that's gonna give me back the P&G rebate. So we still have these on promotion for when you spend 12, you're gonna get back $6 in register rewards. And since this is Crest, it should be working for the P&G coupon. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. I think there might be a coupon for this. My store here have such bad signal, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I end up grabbing. So yeah, we do have a $3 digital coupon for this, and we also have these Crest products on promotion as well. For when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of them, and we do have different $3 digital coupons. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of the same products, so that I'm sorry, 2 of the different products, so that I can make sure that my digital coupons come off. So 2 of these are $14, and we have $6 in digital coupons. So buying 3 of these is going to take me over the $20 mark, and then I should get back $5 for buying 2 of these, $6 for buying this, and $20 for spending 20. All right, we also have the Garnier Fructis that is back on promotion, along with the whole blends. They are 2 for $8, and when you spend 10, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. So I'm actually gonna go for the mousse up here. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. I'm not gonna say I broke it, because I didn't. Because look, you see, I didn't do this. So I'm just gonna kindly fix it. I'm just gonna kindly put it somewhere to the side. But they don't have another one, so the struggle is real. All right, so I'm gonna get these 2 right here. We have a $3 coupon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of the shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and we have a $3 digital coupon as well. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 4 of these participating items at $5.49, and when you buy 5, you're gonna get back, when you buy 4, you're gonna get back $5 in a register reward. So we do have $1 off of this one, $1.50 for the Tide Pods. I'm grabbing a Downy Tide Liquid, as well as a Gain. So we have $1.50 of this and $1 here. So buy 4 and then get back 5. All right guys, we have participating products that are $3.99. There are some that are $5.49. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. I was looking for the $5.49, and we do have a $2.50 coupon, but we don't have any in my store here. So I'm gonna get one of these here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get one of the larger one at $9.99. Should have come out. Okay. And then we do have a $5 digital coupon for this one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of the liquids here. Which one I'm gonna get here? So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these here. So, but they are on promotion for when you buy 4, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. Now, since this is a deal for this week, I don't think it's the same promotion. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the same transaction yet, but I'm gonna try to build up my transaction to spend 50 to get back, to $100, so I can use $50 in Walgreens. So we have an okay deal on the Bounty and the Charmin. They are $11.99, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $6 in register rewards. So if you go over to the PG website, pggoodeveryday.com, you can actually print $3 coupons. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So there's $3 for the Bounty, and then there's $3 for the Charmaine. Now you want to be careful when you print these out. They literally expire the next day. So, and Walgreens does not take expired coupons, and now CVS also almost is not taking expired coupons. So I'm gonna pick up one of each, one of them. I'm hoping that we can get some kind of Ibotta rebate or something, because yeah, why not? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these. We also have the Charmaine and the Angel Soft. That's $3 for $9, and then when you buy 3, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. Now we did have a good deal happening last week, but it ended on Saturday. So if you can find this, my store is all wiped out of this here as well. Be sure to grab the Poise. They are 2 for $14, and that is their normal price. So if you have a 20% off coupon, you can actually use it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the liners and one of the pads. And we do still have Shopkick rebate. I think together you're gonna get back $7.60, something along that line, plus skin kicks. So you can pick that up. So with my 20% off coupon, I'm right at $100 and some change. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some candy or something, just so that I'm over that. And I'm gonna use the 20% off coupon. So then I'm gonna go ahead and use $50 in Walgreens cash. All right, guys, so after using $50 in Walgreens cash and my coupons, I'll be down to $22 and some change. And I have not added the candy, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And then on a separate transaction, I'm gonna do this deal with the Febreze and the Dawn. And I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'm gonna do another transaction with the P&G. I don't know which one I should grab, but these are 2 for $28, and they qualify for the spend 20 get back 5. And on my account, I still have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. So I'm trying to see, these have 28 pads. I don't know, I don't use always, so I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these, or maybe the larger ones. Yeah, I'll grab the larger ones. And then we have the 6 off of 2, and then I think these are still buy 2 get back 4, and we do have $2 Ibotta rebates as well. $9 paper booster, so that'll give me extra $9. And then I'm gonna go ahead and roll these register rewards. I think I have like $23 worth. Here's my 20% that I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna go ahead and roll these register rewards right here. All right, and on separate transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and do the discreet and those products. I'm at $49 for those, so I think I'm gonna add a few more. Here's my first receipt. Here is the Gain, the $5.49 products, the Bounce, the Tide pods, and the Tide liquid. There's the candy I added, which turns out I didn't need because there was an item in my cart I did not factor in my total. All right, so here's the Bounty and the Charmin, the $7 Crest products, the whole blends, Fructis, and the Crest for $12.99, which when I did my total again, I forgot to add this product. It was buried somewhere in my cart. Here is the Poise, and no, y'all, I just realized what happened. Ooh. She rung me up for 2 extra products. I knew it. I was like, how did I miss the $12.99 product? But she added 4 Poise products. Oh my goodness. I was like, something's wrong with my total. I just, all right, well, I'm gonna go back to the store tomorrow, because she added 2 Poise liners and 2 Poise pads. So that gave me an extra $14. So yeah, my total was definitely off. All right, point booster here, 20% taken off $5.60. That's right, I was like, why is it the 20% taken off $5.60? What else is a non-sale item? My mind wasn't working right. All right, so here goes the $3 for the Charmin and the Bounty there, register rewards that I use. For e-coupons, let's see, I didn't even check to see what came off. $3 for the Fructis, $3 for the Garnier, $3 for, what else we have? $3 for, oh yeah, $3 for the Crest. So let's see, $3, 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a $3 for the Crest, $1.50, 50, and $1 off there. So total ended up being $65, an extra $14 more, right? Used 50 in Walgreens cash, and then I got back $69 in Walgreens cash. So $50 for my tracking booster, $9 for the paper booster, as well as $10 for spend 30 as a digital booster. And then for printout, I got everything. The only thing that I was missing is the $5 for the Crest products. That did not print for me. So not sure why, but the Crest is part of that promotion, but it didn't print for me, which I'll contact customer service also to get that back there. All right, guys, so here is the second transaction that I did with the Febreze, the Dawn, the Always, and the other Febreze item. So let's see what we're working with here, because I haven't even checked my digital coupons to see what came off. Here is register rewards that I use, and for coupons, here's the $6 for the Always, $5, and the 50 cents there. And then total came out to $20.46. Pay that there. And then what I got back for Walgreens cash, I didn't get anything. But then for printable, I got back the $5 for the Febreze. I did get back $4 for the Always, and the $5 P&G product is printing and submitting my receipt to Ibotta, getting back $4 back on there. This transaction, I also forgot to mention that for the Poise, I also submitted over to Shopkick for, I think it's 1,450 kicks now for $5.80, and as well as to Ibotta for $3. So all in all, this is all that I've got for you guys today. Don't forget to like the video, share it with somebody who might need it, and leave me a comment if you'd like, or any questions that you may have. I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next transaction. Bye-bye.